Hi, Don here, German printing nerd. Welcome to my channel. I wish to say to my new subs over the weekend and in the last couple of days, I was hoping that the post would bring me two special items that I bought through eBay. But unfortunately, it seems like that they might only come next week, so that I can do some finishing on the bottom part, because when I try to put these things back together, there's a problem that in the railing there is a little bit of support material, and that is not so easy to sand out. You need something like the, there's what was it called, the magnified, or the some stupid name with an M. It's a USB soldering iron with special points on the end of it. Well, I ordered the USB soldering iron from here in Germany, from one with a normal point on it, and then from the UK I ordered the 4 special points with a knife, with a scoop, spoon, and everything. I was hoping that they would come at least till yesterday with the post, but they didn't come, so that I could start finishing this up, so that I could say, hey, take a look, Johnny 5 is done. But now, do need a couple more days. But I've been doing a little bit of work on Johnny 5 here, and yeah, as you can see, with a little bit of lighting that I have here. Let me turn the camera around. You can see right up there, and right over there. Yeah, right over there. Well, thanks to one of my special viewers, he sent me 50 euros over PayPal, friend to friend, and and I cannot say who that is, but you know who you are, and I wish to say thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. That helped me to get these 2 studio lights. And one more thing. This came because this is something also that I wanted to get. Turn the camera a little bit down so that you can see it. Well, there's a couple rolls of filament inside, small rolls, but you don't need a 1 kilo roll for this. That is one of these doodle pins, or whatever you want to call it. But I wanted to get this too, because I was thinking, sometimes you have 20, 30, 40 hour prints, and then you start putting them together, and then you see all of a sudden, oh shit, what happened there? And you have a spalt. And that's all because of some stupid reason right here, no bed adhesion. And instead of using putty and filling it up, sanding it, that's something then you have to go and fill everything, sand everything, and paint it. And that is something that I did not want to do, is paint this. Except for in certain areas, you know, a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver, and that's okay. But I got that so that when the time comes and I start putting everything together, then I can start using that pin with silver filament and start filling in the small gaps wherever they are. Maybe, and then use this USB soldering iron to level it out, even it out, make the lines that are needed or whatever. You know, but yeah, unfortunately, I cannot produce or I cannot show you the correct progress because of post. Please do not be sour with me. Don't be mad with me. But hopefully next coming week the parts will be there, and I hope that I can start presenting some progress with my Johnny 5. Anyway, until then, I do wish you all a nice day, happy printing, and take care. Until the next time, bye-bye.